What's up YouTube, this is KNG to the JEH of Wall Street, and today in this video we're going to be backtesting XAUUSD and BTC, right? These are the two pairs I'm going to be trading now, but basically I'm going to be trading gold like 80% of the time, but like randomly there's nothing on gold, then I'm going to look towards BTC, and I'm going to try my best to keep this video under 5 minutes. So do well to watch to the end, like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends, because I'm sure by the time you get to the 5-minute mark, you're gonna have learned a lot from this video, right? I'm gonna see you on it. So let's get into the video, shall we? Yes, welcome to my screen. Like I said, we are going to be analyzing XAUUSD and BTC. Now this is the daily time frame of gold, and you can see this level right here. This is a level. So gold has been bearish for a very long time, and it's definitely going to come to this level, probably maybe to trigger something here, but this level does it. So if you look at it, you can see the downtrend, like it's pouring. So I mean, we know that overall we are going down. Now after we check that, we go down to 4 hours, and from the 4 hours we see that we have a minor pullback. So price is climbing from here and it's going up. You see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, probably going for the next higher high. So tomorrow we should be looking to probably buy to this high. Okay, let me change the color. Yeah, so now if we go down to a lower time frame, today was actually a sell day. So I was looking for sell because obviously, after price does this and go up, it has to come down before it goes again. So I found the sell somewhere here, but unfortunately I was destroyed before the sale happened. And yeah, that's the recap of it. But let me just show you guys what price did. As a smart money trader, no matter how the market decides to play out, you will eventually know exactly what point of interest is used. It's not like all those type of strategies that you just be like, oh, they manipulated me, and you don't know anything about how it happened. So let me show you guys how it happened. First of all, I was on the 5-minute and 3-minute time frame, because I know that gold respects these lower time frames a lot. Like sometimes it gets more triggered, right? So on the lower time frame, it was somewhere around here. So price has already sold off during the earlier session, and this was where I was looking to get a sell. And when I went down to 3 minutes, I now chose this other block right here. Okay, this one. And unfortunately, price destroyed it. But what did price do? I went down to 1 minute. And when I went down to 1 minute, zoom and zoom and zoom, here is the other block that price used to move. And then this entire high was the liquidity. This is on a 1 minute time frame, so it's gonna be it's gonna be hard to see. You see, this was where the sale happened. And if I took this, bro, I would have been in some hundreds of thousands of profit. But that's what it is. Today we didn't make anything, so we're gonna go on to the next. But this is just a recap of what happened today. But what happened last week? Let me go down to what happened last week. We had all this sell, right? Price was selling. In fact, from all these zones, that price was just selling as the week opened. I wasn't even seeing any entry unless on around Wednesday or Thursday morning. So let me show you what happened on that Wednesday, around Wednesday or Thursday. You see, first of all, the market for that day opened around here, and then there was a 3-minute breaker block here that triggered this first sell. Price continued selling, then price pulled back to another breaker block here again. But let me go down to 3 minutes. This 5 minutes is not giving me. So one thing you need to understand is that gold loves 3-minute time frame. So if you're a gold trader, use 3-minute time frame for your confirmations. Like, trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. A lot of people don't know this, but I've been backtesting gold. This is something I know like it's not now, a very long time. So look at the first breaker block I was talking about. You see, sniper, sell. After that, price came here again, another breaker block, and then we had another sniper sell. What's going on? Had another sniper sell. Okay, for you guys, I don't understand. This is the block I'm talking about. This yellow one right here. So that's just it. And then after that, price came here, was consolidating around here, and then he started to buy. But what did he do before he started buying? I'm just sorry, this video cannot actually be less than 5 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. I'll still try my best to make it like short. So, well, what? Oh shit, where was I? Okay, yeah. So from there, the price continued to sell and sell and sell till the entire, I think it was around Thursday before we now started having some buys. And somewhere around Friday, that's when we had this huge consolidation where price was just ranging in a certain way. And this range actually indicated that price was about to start buying because it was not breaking to the downside. So since it was not breaking to the downside, the market direction already changed. And then on this 3 minute time frame, you can see that I remember 3 minutes always. So we had this OB here, and then after price tapped on it, we have the reaction. Yeah, so one of the ways to get an entry that you can always trust, wait for price to trigger an OB, sweep out liquidity, and then this becomes an extreme point of interest for you. So then you draw your QMR from here. There's a 1 minute time frame QMR right there. I don't want to go there to 1 minute because to waste time, and I want to make this video short as possible. And price started buying from here. Meanwhile, if you're a trendline trader, you can actually see something like this. You can actually see something like this. You see, price was resisting and then it came and bounced on it, right? And then after this bounce, as a trendline trader, you start buying. But as a smart money trader, you still wait for price to trigger um this little order block and breaker block type of shit. On my broker, this actually triggered, but I don't know here it does like it didn't trigger. But anyway, price took out liquidity here. Price took out this low. So now the same way price took out a low here before it left, this became an extreme point of interest. That same way this place to become an extreme point of interest, right? So now how do you now get the buy that's supposed to come from this extreme point of interest? So when price bought up to this point, price actually came down and sold again. But what made price to sell? If you go down to 30 minutes, where are we? Okay. If you go to 30 minutes, you see this fine order block right here. You see, price sniped on it, like just literally sniped. This was the liquidity for it, and then price started selling. Now this sell dropped up till it came to this point, right? The extreme point of interest I was talking about. But it actually is a 30-minute on, and I think it was also correlating on 1 hour. Yes, it correlated on 1 hour. And after that, even if you didn't get in, you can still get lower time frame entries from this 1 hour. If you go down to like 15 minutes on that same day, you see that there were still entries all this place, even on lower time frame. But I don't want us to waste time on this video. So after all that said and done, we now have price pulling back. So we are expecting a buy very soon. I don't, but one thing I always do is that I used to ask AI first. Go to AI, you type XAUUSD forecast for today, and you get the forecast, then you can use that to continue. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I know we have actually taken more time than expected. Normally, uh, weekly recaps normally to really be long. That's just the truth. But I try my best to keep it under 10 minutes, and probably maybe with the introduction video, everything should be 11 minutes. And you see, I don't know what's going on here though, but we might have something like this before it starts buying. Let me also change this to, yeah. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will not be take BTC in this one because it's gonna be too long, but and last week I actually didn't even trade BTC for once, so it's gonna take more time. But this one I was looking at it, so it was less. See you on my next video. Thank you.